Today, we'll be discussing two qualitative research methods, participatory mapping and photo elicitation. I'll provide a quick overview of each method, followed by a comparison of their similarities, differences, and potential for cross-utilization. Participatory mapping is a collaborative method where community members help create maps of their neighborhood. The aim is to gather and share individual knowledge about local areas and find better ways to use land and resources for the community's benefit and to support sustainable interactions with environment. This approach works well in urban planning, resource management, and reducing disaster risks.
I will explain photoelicitation. Well, photoelicitation is a qualitative research method in which photographs are used during interviews to provoke responses from participants, encouraging them to reflect on their personal experiences, emotions, and memories. This approach is particularly effective in research that explores complex and sensitive issues such as identity, culture, or emotional connections to people, places, or events, providing a rich subjective form of data collection.
Participatory mapping and photo elicitation share key similarities. Both methods rely on active participation, encouraging people to contribute their knowledge and experiences. This helps create a richer, more detailed dataset from participants of different perspectives. They also use visual tools, maps for participant mapping, and photos for photo elicitation. These tools facilitate participants' engagement, promote discussions, often resulting in uncovering insights that may not surface in traditional interviews or surveys. Both methods require strict informed consent, as well as privacy and data protection protocols. Creating maps takes a lot of time and effort from community members as they share and document private information and local knowledge. However, all this work could be wasted or even put at risk, as this approach doesn't always lead to positive outcomes for communities. Similar ethical concerns arise with photo elicitation. Photos can sometimes cause emotional distress for participants, and this method often aims to gather highly sensitive, private information from vulnerable individuals. As a result, both methods stress the importance of fully informing participants about the purpose, procedures, and potential risk of research.
While both methods share certain similarities, their key differences make them suitable for different types of research. Participatory mapping focuses on helping communities visualize how they interact with their land and resources. To achieve this goal, it gathers collective insights from a group of people to triangulate the geographic and cultural complexity of a relatively large area. In contrast, photoelicitation targets individual experiences and emotions. This method is frequently employed by researchers when exploring personal narratives, cultural identity, and memory, as it captures subjective and emotional feedback. Another key difference lies in the type of possible risk. In participatory mapping, creating maps to understand the land and resources sometimes leads to conflicts between community members, their neighbors, or the government over its ownership. Sharing or accidentally spreading the maps could also attract outsiders' interest in valuable culture or natural resources. Additionally, when photoelicitation involves the researcher or participants taking photos of people or objects, It may cause unnecessary suspicion or even anger among others, potentially leading to accusations of defamation. Now, let's briefly compare the practical aspects of participatory mapping and photo elicitation. While participatory mapping tends to be more time consuming and community focused, photo elicitation offers a quicker, simpler process that is better suited for a smaller groups and shorter research timelines.
Despite these differences, these two methods can be combined in research. For example, adding photo elicitation to participatory mapping can help participants recall memories, emotions, or cultural connections that may not come up through mapping alone. Likewise, participatory mapping can encourage participants to reflect on their personal history with environment as they draw or model their neighborhood, uncovering forgotten stories or insights that enrich the data collection. Established transdisciplinary methods include participatory photo mapping and public participation geographic information systems.
Each method has unique strengths and limitations, making them effective in different contexts. Participatory mapping excels in research that seeks to understand geographic issues and gather community input, while photo elicitation provides deeper insights into personal connections and emotions, offering a more individualized perspective. Thank you.